Hey YouTubers, Minecraft Hunger is here, and I'm going to be doing part 5 of Minecraft Hunger Games. And I'm with my friend Devin, but he's not on, he's on a different server. Devin, you want to talk?
Hey.
Who are you talking about?
Devin.
No, who'd you say you were with my friend?
Oh, the YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Devin, you can start talking. Oh, crap, how did I lose hunger? Devin, can you start talking?
Oh, sure. Hey. So the right. Zach, on your server.
Devin, talk.
I know, I am talking.
Well, can you talk louder? Oh, mushroom biome. That's awesome.
Hey, I'm gonna go look what Casper's doing.
Alright, but there's no brown mushroom, so that's like a ripoff. I just come to a mushroom biome and I'm like, oh yeah, that's awesome. And like, there's no brown mushrooms, and I'm like, oh. Oh yeah, finally, brown mushrooms. I'm taking like every mushroom I can find. Alright, I got 26 each, so. I got some mushroom stews. Alright, I'm leaving this place. I'm gonna totally like ditch this place, and I'm gonna ditch the biome and move to another one. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna go hunting. I think it's a pretty stupid idea on YouTube because I'm dead. Oh, shoot. Oh, that guy didn't even see me. Oh shoot, that's another Thor. Dang, I died.
You died?
I'm gonna go on Towncraft.
Yeah, because everyone's on.
Alright.
Casper moved me down to head admin.
What?
Casper moved me down to head admin too.
Yeah, Casper's being a jerk. You were moved to group power admin? What's power admin?
Say hi.
Alright, YouTube, this was the thing. I hope you liked it. I was kind of stupid, but bye.